Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Soundcore Life Q30 with iPhone. And to do this, we'll need to go for the Bluetooth on our iPhone. You can access it through the settings or through notification bar right here. Let's click on it, then hold it, then click and hold again, and go for Bluetooth settings. Right here, make sure that your Bluetooth is enabled, and we can move on to the headphones. Now power them on and with this button right here and hold it for about 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. Also, you can look on the LED lamp right here. Just wait until it flashes in a blue light, like that. And now they should be visible in other devices. Click on it and then it will connect. Now the second method of connection is through the Soundcore app, which you can download from the App Store. But first let's unpair them from our Bluetooth. So they're right here. Forget this device, forget device, and now move on to the Soundcore app. Here, after login, you can click on Add Device and make sure that the headphones are in the pairing mode like before. And here, go for the headphones. So we need to pair them anyway, so you can skip this unpairing step. Let's connect them again just with Bluetooth and open the app. Now here we have them, click on it. And now we can customize the settings using the app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.